All right, today we're gonna bring a LED light with a fan, and this is a large LED light, if you guys can see that. Now there is a remote control with it that we're also gonna test it out. There's level 1 all the way to 6. You got your main power, and then you also have your connections in here for your actual power and other sources, and also the different light settings. All right, you could dim it down, you could change the different types of colors, and then also change the actual tone of the actual fan rotation. And you do have a couple hours that you could set up. You could set up a 1 all the way up to 4 hours automatically. All right, if you ever lose the control, you could download the app Tiya Smart, and then you can install this. Now in order to set this up to actually sync it up to your app, you're gonna need to turn off the light, about the power light, about 5 times up and down until it starts blinking. Once it starts blinking, that's how you set it up on your phone. So I am going to show you the app itself and the remote, how it works. All right, let's go ahead and set this up. There's a little hanging screw, a little hanging area here that you can hang it up there. Now you are going to need ground, neutral, and hot. Make sure that all of them are on. Yep, they're all on. Right, here we have it set up. We got level 1 for the fan. If you guys can see that. Now, if it doesn't want to turn on the first 5 seconds, you can hold on the power button for 5 seconds till the actual system blinks. That's how you sync your phone, your actual remote. So you got level 1 all the way to 6. We could change the actual tone. I'm gonna change the tone of the light, dim it down as much as you want, and then go all the way up. And then we're gonna change the lighting effect to a brighter one. Right, so right now we're not in the brightest. This is the actual brightest. This is the daylight one. And then we're gonna go backwards so you can see the yellow one. Right, if you guys can see, it changes automatically as soon as I keep hitting the buttons. And then you could go back up, and then you got this button here that changes to RGB light. And of course, you have different tones of RGB light that we're gonna go over. We're gonna set up the app, and in case you don't have if you can't get the app to work, you could turn this off 5 times. And right now we're just gonna go ahead and say slow blinking because it did blink a couple of times. So we just got it to blink right now, if you guys can see it, and we're actually setting this up. So we're able to set up options. We could turn it off from here. All right, completely turn it off, and then we could turn it back on. Now we have the 3 light tones in here, all right, that we have. You see that? The brightness goes in here, the brighter one. And then we could tone it down from here too, from a level 100% to maybe 1%, if you guys can see that. So now let's go to the color changes. Here's the best part of the light, that you have all these access to change it to one solid color if you want, optional. And then I like that they have multiple templates in here to change it. We're gonna change it to purple, yellow, purple, and look at this color sequence that they have. You also have this available on your controller too, that you can change it, but here you're able to interact with it at the same time. And I'm just going through all the templates that they have. And of course, you have your audio template that you could change the tone with it while you talk, or your music plays in the background, and it's very simple. Now, one of the best things I like, we're gonna go back to the highlighter. We're gonna go back to the lighting. We're gonna go fan. Here, the fan, we have the control for the fan. We could turn it on from here, turn it on. You guys can see that. We could lower the level. Right now we're at level 6. We could set up our template here. We could set up schedules too. And then we're gonna turn it off. And then we have the actual system running already. So very simple to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.